I want to show you how to use the editable file for my schedule cards. So you're going to have these when you open up the zip drive. You're just going to go to the editable one. It's going to open up in PowerPoint. If you don't have PowerPoint, you can use Google Slides. And so this is what it's going to look like. I use KG Red Hands, but you can use any font that you want. You're just going to click on the text box and then you can start typing. Change the font, change the size, and then just keep on going. So you can name them whatever you want so that your students will understand whatever matches your classroom. So I've got the pictures for all of them. And as well as the time cards. You would have to use your marker for the hands on the clock, but you can type out the numbers for the time, or you can write them out. So hope that helps.